bantu bam, igama lam ndinguZinati, also known as Wonke Mfazi waseMancosheni. If you are tuning in for the first time, welcome, and we hope you enjoy our community. We enjoy motherhood. We also do makoti content here and there. We do have lifestyle content. I know my people enjoy ezasezlalini, ndendele ingcobo, ekhaya kusengcobo. So yeah, that better intaka ngelitye andiyazi lendithethayo, but anyways, welcome. Welcome bantu bam, ndiyavuya kakhulu. We are finally doing this sit down video. Namhlanje ke I was requested by one of our people ukuba I'll mention igama lakhe I'll take a snippet of a comment yakhe. I really loved a suggestion yakhe. I really liked the suggestion or the request, if I can put it that way. Ukuba Sisi, can you kindly make a video for us where you tell us izinto ozidingayo, things that you may need when you are about to have umcimbi wakho, your first event, your first ceremony kwakho as umakoti omncinci omdala onomzi omtsha oqalayo uzenzela umcimbi wakhe oqala uzimela emzini wakhe. So yeah, I take it ibingumuntu who was referring to a new home, because it was a video ndisenza isazimzi, I think. So I took it ucela a video in that regard. So let us get into the video. I hope you guys will find this video not only helpful but insightful, and even if you are not a Xhosa wife or you do not own a home, but one day you would understand what goes into planning, the preparation of having umcimbi ongowakho, not only emzini wakho where umamazala or family members will be taking care of everything. Now izinto sijonge kuwe madam, nguwe wedwa omileyo nomyeni wakho. If uyi-one, nguwe kwakho uzimele, if uzakhile umzi wakho nabantwana bakho. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And just a disclaimer, this video does not restrict umntu who does not believe in certain things. So I will be using my own experience. Indlela esenza ngayo ekhaya nasemzini wam. So yeah, this is about abantu ababini in this case, who married endaweni A1, because background yam is very similar to eyasemzini wam, so there is not much of a difference. But certain things bendizifunda khona, certain things bendizazi. Like isazimzi, I never knew ukuthi siyabhinqelwa, kweminye imizi asibhinqelwa, kweminye imizi iyabhinqelwa. So I learned that emzini wami ukuthi siyabhinqa xa senza isazimzi thina. So yeah, let's get into it. Firstly, when it comes to planning, we started planning to a year before siwenza umcimbi, because we knew besingekabikho ready in terms of umzi ungekabikho ready. There were still outstanding things like indlu enkulu besingenayo. So we had to start with that process where we had to start building uronda. So ke uronda, that also needed a discipline in terms of saving, and also in terms of we gave up a lot of things just to make sure it's done on time. So we got that out of the way. Uronda wa ready, and saqala ke ngoku to plan into the things that will go into the actual event. Yes, Azins. I would like to make a distinction. This is not umsebenzi that is done ngendlela efanayo. I understand there are people who call isazimzi ukuvula umzi, which is two different things. In my understanding, it's two different things. Ukuvula umzi, it's ukuvula umzi, housewarming. That is where you are celebrating with your family, with your friends. Yeah, ukuvula umzi, in my understanding. Isazimzi kukwazisa umzi, you are introducing your home Now, if ungumuntu who believe in ancestors, if you believe in family events ezifana naleyo, where you are now introducing umzi wenu to amancoche. In this case, we are introducing umzi to emancocheni, and this is now a way of allowing us, giving us indlela yokuthi from now on we can now start performing we can start performing our own events kulomzi, because prior to that we were not doing that. We were using umzi gadata, which is emzini kulo your husband. Now, if we were to get married, we would now use umzi wetu. If we were to do anything, imbeleko, anything for our kids, we would use umzi wetu, because umzi wetu now is rightfully umzi. So I just wanted to make that distinction. Tina, we were not vuling umzi, we were not opening umzi. Bese we introduce. So that is not umsebenzi wethu nechomi zethu. But obviously you support abantu bakho any way you would like. So it's different. So there was no jive, groovy. It was a family thing. And yeah, so that's the distinction I wanted to make. And if you would like to do ukuvula umzi, now this is where you get a gifting. That's where you can have your friends to come over. You guys are celebrating ngelo xesha, so we do things ngendlela eyohlukeneyo. Abanye abantu bavula umzi, abanye abantu bayawazisebenzisa zimzi. So that is that. So you are done with your planning. You've arrived at a date with your people, and you have a date. And before you have a date, or on the side, as you want to arrive at the suitable date for you and your people, you are now starting to worry about the items that you need to get. Tina, we started ngembiza, and I want to make this remark also as a young person who is undergoing this journey for the first time. Uzoba ne-challenges kakhulu, you must know that. You must be prepared. Ayizwa lula, and asifani singabantu asilingani, and ii-journey zethu azifani, zohluke kakhulu. And our purpose emizini yethu as single mothers, as married people, as sisters, and yeah, just family, as owner imizi, ii-purpose zethu azifani nasemizini yethu. So you will have to accept the video ukuthi it will not be tailor-made for your own experience or for your own journey or for your own beliefs. Ayizufana. It will be very different. Maybe kuwe it will be similar, but if you do relate to something like this, then please have an open mind. Ukuthi this is not to oppose anything that you already know, but if you were looking for some insight, ufunde, or to have some corrections, or to have some notes on your side if you relate to this type of doing or content. So yeah, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this video might be directed to umdu who is opening umzi wakhe. So meaning you do not have most things, or you do not have anything, so you are starting over. You are starting from scratch, from zero, meaning awunazitya, meaning awunatafile, meaning awunambiza, and all of that. So that was the case even with us. Besingenazo, we only had plates as lingene thina. You would say maybe a set of 4. Everything was in sets of 4. Imbiza were just pots that hubby bought. Enough with the basic stuff. You need actual items. Sangena kwi-essentials. Ibizimbiza. I do not own any pot ezaphandle, the black pots that you use when you have umcimbi omkhulu. I understand people always ask, why don't you guys use catering? Imisebenzi ayifani. There are ceremonies where I can call catering. Like if ndiyatshata, I don't think I would want abantu batshe phandle kube kuphekwa phandle. But if there is a particular need for a certain type of meat, I think mostly kwaXhosa, I think ihambe ngenyama lento. If kukho ibhokhwe that was slaughtered for lo mcimbi, I think iinto ezinjalo zizawufuna uphekwa ngabantu bekhaya. So that is when umakoti will be expected ukuthi bapheke kulo mcimbi and not hand over inyama yefamily yekhaya to abantu be-catering, if you get what I'm saying. Zii-moments ezinjalo where i-catering will not be able to fit in. So ngumcimbi wekhaya nalo isazinzi, I do not think it would be fitting for me or for us to use the catering for such an event. If graduation, if sivula umzi, I don't think catering will be a problem. If we do afford, by all means, because I am all for abantu abanikwayo a chance to experience imicimbi yabo, i-events zabo, and be able to celebrate kube mnandi, and also be present, fully present, ningadinwanga as omakoti. Ayandifuni nophosisa. If ipokoti yam would allow for that, and umcimbi ibe ingengo wekhaya, ungazulawulwa likhaya, izinto ezininzi kuyo, I am all for catering. Andifuni nophosisa bethuna. That is me. So kule case kumathina singomakoti, and now sidinga imbiza. So I did not have to buy pots, but you need imbiza ezimnyama. If ungumntu owakhe elalini engena family yakho, akho in-laws zakho esezinazo, uzaba sengxakini, you will need to buy pots. So I was safe in that regard because we still have esikamama. Mamazala wam had yonke into, so I was safe up. So one of abakhulu bakazi bam, usisi wam endize emva kwakhe, advised me ukuthi no, do not worry about imbiza, sinazo imbiza, umama unazo imbiza. So i-need yembiza sizoyisota out with ezikamama, nezam singongeza zonele zibe enough for umcimbi wakho. So don't worry about that, just focus on the rest of izinto ozirhalelayo. I shot a video when I was doing all this shopping. We went to Dragon City and my husband was like, I understand you wanted to join imigalelo and you had joined umgalelo before, which was for istove. I started joining umgalelo westove with osisi abakhuluekazi bam, and we bought ourselves istove sokuqala, which was ufobena we-gas. We bought that, bandicela kuba ndisijonge kweli cala. So we had a successful task yothenga esa stove, and I can't remember sasibetha malini, but it was not that much because sasiliqela and asikho expensive. But hubby and I had a discussion yokuthi I would like you to have your own things for many reasons. Firstly, asihlala ekhaya, and there will be times where izinto mhlawumbi ubunomsebenzi. Most of the time we have umsebenzi, and on a Sunday we are forced to rush back, sidrive sibuye. So there will be times where izinto zakho zingaqoqoshekanga kakuhle, and uzabe ugcine utsixele izinto zabantu because you will be sharing stuff nabantu. Sidingeka istovu, God forbid kubekho i-funeral okanye kubekho something ongazukwazi uyehlela wena, kube kudingeka izinto, kube kutsixiwe, and abantu may not take kindly to i-inconvenience ezinjalo. And sometimes ningashare i-date nomntu where someone needs the same item ngexesha elinye nawe. So, or there will be cases umntu mhlawumbi abolekise ngento eyeyegroup, nibe nine-discussions ezingekho pleasant that you may not be aware of when you guys are planning this beautiful thing that you guys are planning as the wives. Because kona it's a good thing also now for uhlangana. I think nohlangana nokhola nonke nifundisana on certain things. Yeah, so yani ke we decided ukuthi let us have izinto so that we can do izinto ngendlela esifuna ngayo ngexesha lethu. and not be an inconvenience, and not be inconvenienced either. So senza kanjalo watsho ukuba okay, let us start with a batch yezo zinto, make a list of what you need, then we'll see how far we can go. So we had two trips for uthenga izinto zethu. Then we started ngestove ufo burner we-gas. We started with iCombo kaHut. Istove ufo burner was 1,300 rands at Dragon City. So it will depend which shop you go for, and obviously shops will not be selling at the same price. So it will depend which shop you go for. iCombo kaHut was 2.9. Pot set, it comes in a set of 5 uHut, and yona you have 8 liters, you have 13 liters, you have 21 liters, you have 40 liters, you also have 50 liters. So those were the sizes of ilantoka zam imbis. And then i-plate is 100, and I took white in different shapes. So 100, and each zabe zisenza i-1.8 iplate. So mugs, I bought different colors. Mugs ziyenza i-1.5. I also bought bread bin. Bread bin comes with a set here, your canisters for your sugar, for your coffee and your tea. I will try and make calculations on the side. I bought a flask 3 liters, I buy 2. Then I bought 5 liters oil 1. I-flask 5 liters was 240. I-3 liters ye-flask ibe 150 A1. So I got 2. The 20 liters was 950. These are plastic buckets that I bought for bread and for ufaka izinto, even if it's loo nto ufuna uyifaka. I bought plastic buckets or 10 liters, I buy 3, and that was 120. You also need dish ezi zinkulu ze-enamel. The-enamel dishes, a set of 4. They come in a set of 4, and they were 550. You also need a teapot. And I would advise you get that yellow one and not the silver one. I got the silver one, and I learned that iyakhawuleza, it quickly cools iti if awuyikhuphela ngeflaskini, like iyakhawuleza ubandisa. So that's the only difference. And I think also the yellow one iklineka kakuhle because of the smooth texture abayipeyinte ngayo ngaphandle nangaphakathi. So I think yona it's the way to go. I did not take that one. I will be buying it in the future, but I still have the silver one. You also need trays. You can get about 5, a set of 5 trays or less if you see ezi 5 ingathi zininzi kakhulu. I had to get 5. I got 3 as a enamel, and I got 2 as a plastic, and I got 2 chopping boards as the bamboo ones, and bowls the salads. Then tumblers. Also, you need tumblers. You also need glasses, obviously, but I think it is best practice uthenge glass noko is a bit simple and cheaper for an event, because ziza kuphuka iiglasses zakho that you love so much, or Carol Boys bakho, or Mr Price Home bakho, maybe glasses that were gifts ozithanda kakhulu may not be a good idea for an event. So you would like to get yourself into noko that will be simple. Even if they break, you are not left ukhathazekile kakhulu. Foldable tables. Oh my god, I did not know I needed these foldable tables. We got one, but I asked your hubby that we get 2, and we wanted them in black, but unfortunately we could not get the black we wanted because of the color. I will not lie, I regret us getting the white one, but we had no choice because sasingayifumani lo black sasimfuna, and we could not go to several shops. Sihambe sibuze, said, do you guys have a black folding table? Do you, yeah, because it was running late, and it was a Sunday, if I'm not lying, when we went there. So we needed to be done with our shopping kwisto esiyi-1 and get everything there. And if asiyifumani basifunele next door, which was the case with e-cups. E-cups, they would run low on stock because maybe we would need like 100 of ezo zinto. We would need 50 of that color and bangabi nayo i-25 or i-50. So they would get next door or source from other stores abasebenzisana nazo. So zange sizifumane ke ngoku zona i-folding tables even kwi-neighbors zabo. I would have loved 2 tables. We got one in white, so it's easy to replace that white one if we do get a black one in the future. There was a black bin that you guys may have seen from the video when I was buying the stuff. That black bin in the handles, it's very good for ustora isonka senu. Xa nigqiba ubhaka nisipholise and put in ilanto kwizonka zenu, especially isonka ezi zedoti. They are quite thin zona, slim, so they can fit kakuhle phaya, but you can also fit imibhako yenu niyicumbise. So umkhulu laa mgqomo kakhulu, so you can also get something like that. It does not have to be the round one that I got. You can get a 4-corner bin that you guys may use. That was 70 liters for 120. And then you need a big wooden spoons. The big wooden spoons were a set of 3. It was 150, which is the wooden spoons. We call it amaphini. You use amaphini for upheka phandle, for zamisa phandle if nininzi izidudu zotywala, if you also nipheka inyama for uphethula inyama yenu. But it's mostly used for imbizi ezinkulu, for phandle. Then ibe ziimatras. Imatrases eyi-10, 2.5, and throw blankets just to add for abantu bebezolala. Sathenga songeza 5, which cost us 1,000 rands, and veg onion cutters bezi-50 rand each. Isihluzo, iset yesihluzo, when you are maybe for usefa for uhluza amarhewu or utywala or anything that you would like to use isihluzo for. Iset was 70 rands. Sasizawuthenga nee-black chairs. We also wanted black chairs for ukongeza for intenteni or for people abadinga uhlala, but we ended up not buying them for that event, for that particular event, because of transport, because zona zazinida transport and everything that we were buying here sasizoyiloada kuthi sehle nayo. So yeah, izawusithathela space, so we did not get black chairs. And as I said, we did this planning over 2 trips. So we bought for the first trip sayobeka izinto, and then for the last trip sasisehla okokugqibela, I think it was closer to December. So we bought everything that we needed, that we could buy at the time, sehla nazo. So we did not have to struggle and hire or siyozikhwelisa eziteksini or ezibhasini. So yeah. We also got a chafing dish, which was 10 liters for 250. Thenga water bottle. Water bottle le yofaka amanzi ine-tap, and we got that for 150. Sathenga i-dustbin inkulu for phandle, that was 120. Ibe zii-pillars. You need pillars. I got 30 pillars. Bezishiphu ke zona, and I did not want to lose this one and lose the other, then sisokole. Swabs I bought, ziphume zingaphi? I'm sure it's over 10. Ndizithenge eMarabastati swabs. If I do a swab, I think over 10. I still have a few left endingazange ndizikhuphe, and zazinkulu. It was the bigger size, so we decided to cut them in half for a kitchen, because ziyalahleka if ayidokwe and izawulahleka inkulu injalo. And yeah, sisincede kakhulu. Sazithenga zinkulu eMarabastadi, then we cut them in half. Ibe yi-juicer, if you may have a juicer or a dispenser. I had 2 jugs. You need jugs for Olam Mqombothi. You need jugs. So we got 2 jugs for data. We got 2 jugs as extra for a kitchen in cases phone go mama. Not a kitchen, you also need them. Nemicephe. You also need imicephe for ukha. So it's very easier to have imicephe when you have umqombothi nomnamahewu. So imicephe you may buy 2. I bought 2. Ibhekile, you may get a set of 4, a set of 3, depending kuni. So we got ibhekile eziyi-4 thina. We got amakhuko amabini. Flask eziyi-3, the way eza flask ezangiseva ngayo, I have no words. They still are saving me nangoku. So iflask eziyi-3, I think they are enough because otata aphunga kakhulu. We had experience just recently when we were doing izila likamama zala wam a few weeks ago, if not a month ago. Abaphunga otata baqala uphunga otata inkomo iwa ngo-3 kanene, baqale uphunga ngo-5 kwade kwavelela ngaphandle okotata becila ibebiza iti asizifumani iiflask eziyi-3 for uba siphungise oomama. Oomama kudala beyibiza iti ayizi ikotata. So you would want to be safe. Iflask eziyi-3 might not be enough, but thina since sonke sinento zethu with oosisi siyahlangabezana ngezinto. Omnye uza nezakhe, omnye aze nezakhe, just provided ukuthi you planned prior to everything. That's why meetings with abakhuluekazi bakho or omakoti basemzini wakho elalini yakho or your neighbors, it's very important. When you guys see me with vlogs and sitting sayibona sisi, we will be having a little meeting. It's not just a little meeting for us, it's where we make sure that nothing slips. Nothing slips. We do not miss out on anything. We do not run out of any options on the day xa sekubhizi. So sibambisana kanjalo, sicebisana kanjalo. I think I'm grateful for having them kakhulu. Even nangoku mama ngekhoyo, at least bakhona to support me kwiinto ezinjalo, because I may not know izinto ezininzi. I may not know or understand how things are done or how things should be done, because azange ndenza mcimbi ndawo. Yabo. Yes, I may be married for ixesha elide, but azange ndazenza kwam izinto. So bakhona for into ezinjalo. I think we have reached the end of our video. I hope you really gained some insight uba kwenziwa njani, and my advice, build your community whilst you still can. And if you have a community that is already with you, maintain it, nkcenkceshela ikhule, and keep it ibe stronger as much as you can. Some relationships need that. They need watering, not just because you have these people by blood or these people are there by umendo or whatever. You need to keep on watering those relationships, because you do not know how much you will need them until you plan umcimbi. So having a system ekusupportayo ibaluleke kakhulu. So yeah, that is that, guys. Akhondo ingako. Wona andifuni nophosisa umcimbi wakho for the first time will be intense. It will be very challenging, but with God akhondo isohlulayo. Yes, kuba nzima ngokwakhoyo, but akhondo sidide isohlule kuphele with him by our side. Call upon him, uzohamba nawe, akazukuyekela chomi. Noba amaxhalanga namarhamncwa akutsalela ecaleni kangakanani, trying to distract you of what you want to achieve, what you have planned for yourself and for your life. So yeah, nazo essentials zakho, and umcimbi uhlangane. Umcimbi wakho uhlangane, then ibe ngabantu bakho ecaleni kwakho bakuphathise where you're lacking. And I think I've covered everything that I needed to cover. I will definitely do a calculation. I did not do that. I will do a proper calculation where I mention, when I'm mentioning an item, I will put the amount yayo next to the video. here on the video so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, and I will possibly give you guys a total, being closer or not, being your wife or not, having umzwako or not. These videos are for us by many open minds. Understand these into certain things singekafiki kuzo or singazofika kuzo, just knowing. I am done, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. And Cleo video, we're talking about the mistakes that we did on our building. So tune in, kuyo, and be on the lookout for that video. And please support and like. Please don't forget to like, guys. Akho ibaluleke ngathi ku-like video. Before you watch, just click on the like, please, because the moment you like, it pushes the algorithm your video or my channel so that it can appear and be suggested nakwabanye abantu. Please like, guys. Please like, please comment as much as you can on these videos. You're already subscribed. I take it. So if you're subscribed, please like the video. Even if you won't be finishing the video on that day, with the commitments that people have, when you have time, just like the video, please. Then I said, I'll see you on the video, errors or mistakes that we made on our building journey. And this building journey includes everything. I also want to see if I cannot include a video breaking down into a plumbing and also breaking down into a zip. So I'll see which one comes first. But I'll see you guys again. Ciao, ciao.